Welcome back, bridge friends. If you've watched our video, Rule of 2 in Finessing, you've already seen how this declarer's compass guides you through double 10-ace dilemmas with precision. This isn't just theory, it's practical declarer technique that helps maximize trick potential while minimizing risk, whether you're holding 8 cards and going deep for the lower honor, or 9+ cards and playing safe with the direct finesse. To help you absorb and retain what you've learned, use this video to review the concept, with 10 carefully chosen questions that reinforce the logic, timing, and strategic nuance of the Rule of 2 in Finessing. Master when to go deep, when to play direct, and how to secure your contract with confidence. There's no pressure, pause whenever you need to think, rewind if you want to reconsider, and use the answers section to check your understanding. Think of this as your personal bridge study session. Let's start. Quiz 1. According to the Rule of 2, under which condition should a declarer perform a deep finesse when holding a combination like Ace-Queen-10? Quiz 2. If a declarer and dummy hold a combined 9 cards in a suit with the Ace-Queen-10, what does the Rule of 2 advise? Quiz 3. What is the stated success rate for a deep finesse yielding at least 2 tricks in an 8-card suit distribution? Quiz 4. What is the primary strategic goal of employing the Rule of 2? Quiz 5. How does the Rule of 2 primarily enhance contract security? Quiz 6. The source material indicates the Rule of 2 is a guideline, not an absolute. Which of the following is presented as a valid reason to deviate from the rule? Quiz 7. In what way can an understanding of the Rule of 2 influence a player's bidding decisions? Quiz 8. What key element of bridge strategy does the Rule of 2 standardize for the declarer? Quiz 9. The video transcript explains that the 75% success rate is based on the distribution of which cards? Quiz 10. While the Rule of 2 is a reliable default, what other information does the source suggest a player should use to adjust their decisions?
Subscribe our channel for more videos.
Alright. Let's go through the answers one by one. Even if you missed one, the explanation will help you nail it next time. How did you do? Let me know in the comments. Tell me your score out of 10. If you missed a question, re-watch our original video, link in description, and come back to retake the quiz. Don't forget to like if you learned something, subscribe for more bridge quizzes and lessons, and hit the bell so you never miss a bridge tip.